Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video on the Mk5 Golf GTI. And as the thumbnail suggests, we are going to tackle the door locks, because ever since I have owned this car, this driver's door lock has never worked, and this driver's side rear door lock has been very temperamental, so pretty much doesn't work as well. Now, I remember the days when you did have to lock cars with the key, which I've been having to do on this car, which I will demonstrate. As you can see right now, the indicator is not flashing, so the car is not armed. I can open the door, and I will arm the car. So as you can see, the indicator is flashing to say the car is armed, and it should be locked, but it's not, and neither is that one. The only way I can lock and unlock my car is by doing it manually with the key. So it's locked, and that one, see, it's temperamental, still hasn't locked. These are the ones I've bought. This is the rear and this is the front. They do look very similar. The front was, I think, £41 and the rear was £27. I decided to go with that make rather than getting a make that I've never heard of, which was a lot cheaper. This car came from the factory with folding mirrors, but I added an extra feature so I can fold them with the remote like this. In order for this upgrade to happen, I changed the window module, which is also responsible for the mirrors. This front passenger door lock did not work, but after installing the window/mirror module, the door lock worked. So sometimes when you do fix one thing on these cars, it can actually fix something else. First, I removed the plastic door trim with a trim tool, and then using a T20 Torx, unscrew the barrel. You don't need to unscrew it all the way out to remove it. Next, unpick the door handle cable like this, and then lift like I have just done here. It's time to remove all of the T30 Torx bolts from all the way around the door. The door skin is bolted all the way along the bottom and all the way on the inside. Not exactly sure how many of them there is. So yes, unscrew all of the Torx, but do bear in mind that some of them are different lengths to others, and you do need to know where each one came from so that you can fit them back exactly where it was before. When this is done, the door skin should just lift off like this. This should now give me access to the door lock or the door lock mechanism. All I need to do is get this thing off. Once the cover is removed, I move onto the two M6 spline bolts that hold the mechanism in place. The splines on the bolts are a bit worn, so I use a hammer to get the spline bit in, and then it is easily removed. This is the lock. Like I said before, sometimes I think people can fix these, but I'm not going to attempt to do that. I'm just going to replace the full unit. So it's just a matter of unclipping that, and putting the new one in. There is on this side a little hanger, so you just hang it on that there, and that will line it up with the holes. Unclip the cables from the old one and then simply clip them back into the new one. Spray a little bit of electrical spray into the connectors and then screw the 2 spline bolts back in. I then refit the cover and also refit the door skin. It is as simple as that. Right, that front driver's lock is now complete. I'll give you a quick demo. So the door is open, and with the key I will lock it. You can see the indicator on there. Locked, unlock, open, lock, lock. Because I've done the front, I'm hoping that the rear will be a lot quicker and a lot easier. Yes, so it's pretty much the same procedure as I did on the front door. Remove the door trim and then use a T20 Torx to unscrew the barrel, but try not to drop it like I just did. Luckily, it dropped on the cardboard. Then we remove all the T30 torque bolts that hold the door skin in place. Door lock is behind this plastic, so it's the same procedure as what I did before. I started this a few days ago and I actually finished it, but I ran into a few problems. There we go. So that's my problem. is that bit comes out. I suppose it only comes out because I have put double-sided sticky on it. The handle itself is okay, but the barrel still comes out. And the day when I finished that, so we're talking about 5 days ago, I had to order another part, which is this thing, or the door handle bracket, or the door barrel support. I don't know what you call it, but this thing anyway. I think a couple of little clips have broken from the one that's in my door, so what we're going to do is strip the door again, change that. That was a bit more hassle to take off than I wanted it to be, and basically just that what's broken. This is what I think my problem is, and as you can see, I've got that ring missing, so I've got to look for the other piece of that. Should go in the middle there. That is it. Right, and that is pretty much the end of the video. I will show you both locked working, so we will lock the car and we will unlock. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps a lot of you guys that are having the same problem as what I used to have. And yeah, if you did enjoy it, please give me a like, share, comment and a subscribe, and no doubt I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.